Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can clean your refrigerator minimally. Okay, this is the IFB branded refrigerator which I bought 1 year ago, almost 1 year ago. See here, IFB DC 2235/2025 is the refrigerator model. I did the unboxing and review also, you can find them in the description. See here, this is where I bought on Amazon. I bought this for 17,000 rupees. This is a single door refrigerator. So when you want to plan cleaning of the refrigerator, the first thing you need to do is just power off the source, switch off the power and unplug that. See here, I just remove the power source and I have taken two cloths, one is dry and one is wet. So my idea of cleaning is, first I'll wipe out with the wet cloth and later I'm going to wipe out with the dry cloth, and I'm going to use a liquid just like Colin or whatever the liquid you use, just for this outer part, not for the inner. This liquid is for outer shine part. This is not a glass, this is a fiber glass. So for the shine purpose I'm just going to spray this like this. Okay, I'm going to clean, and before spraying what I'll do is I'll all wipe out. Yes, coming to the inside part, first you need to remove all the food items which are inside the refrigerator. So I'm going to take them out. So see here, anyway this will get into the water state. See here, the ice buildup and everything. So I can click on this manual defrost button also, but I'm not going to do that. This water will be connected at the back side, collected at the back side, and I'm not going to remove this glass shells because I'm using this mat. So I'll be just opening this mat, and what I'll do is I'll be putting them on sink and I'll be washing this, and I'll just wipe out with the wet and dry cloth. So the best use of this is all the dust or dirty things from the food particles will fall on this, so that these glass shells won't get that dirty. So I ordered this from the Flipkart for rupees 140 rupees. So now they are getting useful. First of all, remove all the items from the refrigerator. So I'll be taking them out. Yeah, and even this shelf, the vegetable or the fruits shelf I'll remove, and this got plaster so I won't remove this, but I'll wipe it out. One good thing I like about this refrigerator is here there are vents. See here, vents. If there are any food particles, we can collect those food particles through these vents. So this is where I really like this design. So this became so dirty, so I need to collect them like this. Okay, before, after emptying this everything, I can collect like this and I can clean them now. Yeah, one more thing, don't use harsh or strong chemicals. I'll use liquid soap a little bit, and if there is any smell, what I'll do is I'll use a pinch, a very little, a pinch of baking soda. Okay, this is also a very little, okay, just to for the to avoid the smell here of the food particles. I'm just sprinkling a bit, okay, because this is a bit stinky here now, that's the reason. Okay, see here, this is the latest fridge. So it got this compartment, we can take this out because the cleaning is really hard. So I'm just removing this and placing on the sink so that I can clean. I can remove this one also, but this is okay. So I'm just removing this egg tray and I'm going to clean that. Yeah, see here, I also removed the down compartments for easier cleaning. So this is the wet cloth with small amount of liquid soap, and just as it is wet, I'm just wiping out all the dirt which is accumulated on this glass shelves and this on this door compartments. Okay, later once the wet cleaning is completed, I have taken this dry cloth, and this is the final step. I'm making sure there won't be any wetness inside the fridge. With the pure dry cloth, I'm just wiping out all the wetness in the previous step. Okay, make sure you completely clean, and this on the sink I'll clean it later. Okay, and coming to the outside part, I'm just spraying that spray, maybe like Colin or whatever suits your refrigerator. You can use that spray. Okay, so it would look a bit shiny. I'm just using this spray. You can buy them online if you want. The fridge compatible outer cleaning sprays will be available online. Cloth, you can just, yeah, this is the portable rechargeable food packet sealer which I purchased on Flipkart for 200. If you want those details, check in the description. In the circular motion, I'm just wiping this after the spray. So this is the final look once it is cleaned, and it is decently looking good now. Okay, fine. Let me show you the inside part also. And the main reason I purchased this refrigerator is for the power saving. This is one of the finest refrigerator because it takes very less power consumption, approximately 128 units per year. So yeah, you can check more details in the description.